our SSCs, our starting strength coaches, our certification is called starting strength coach. Now, to pass the starting strength coach certification, you have to come to our seminar and demonstrate on the platform that you can coach the 5 barbell lifts. You have to demonstrate that you can coach it before you get to even hear the oral test. We have an oral board. We do not have a multiple choice test. We have an oral board, and you have to listen to 3 people ask you hard questions for a couple hours. And that's and you don't get to hear that until you demonstrate your ability on the platform to coach the barbell exercises. We're a lot different. Our pass rate is about 15%. Do you know what the pass rate for the CSCS is? It's about 70%. How do you fail that? How does one fail? That's like getting the red lights in the APF for squat. Right? It's the same damn thing. Right? How in the hell do you fail the CSCS? I don't know. But ours is real easy to fail. All of our SSCs get calls every week about their services as an SSC. Now that's a critical deal, all right? That's a critical deal because the certification is valuable, all right? So the deal is, the whole reason I hope you guys are here is because you are looking to increase your value in the market, right? Your value in the market goes up if you are a strength coach as opposed to a pin setter at a corporate gym. Pin setters at corporate gyms make minimum wage or $10 or whatever the hell it is right now, right? Strength coaches make whatever they can charge, right? And it's a whole different approach to the problem of dealing with clients. All right, clients pay you for one thing if they're the kind of client you want. And what is that one thing? Results. Now there are clients, and you've all had them, that want friendship and want babysitting and want companionship because they can't get it anywhere else, and they want to talk to you about their grandkids, right? I mean, that's a percentage of this market. That's not the percentage of the market we go to, because those are not the people that pay the money. The people that pay the money are the ones that expect results from you and that will stay with you if you produce results for them. Okay? That's what you get paid for. And if you do a good job for that, you make a bunch of money. And the bigger the market you live in, the more money you make. When you join this gym, the starting strength gym, you are paying, I believe he gets $455 a month. And every session is coached. Every session is programmed, every session is coached. You're getting personal training for $455 a month here. Now you're in a group setting, but every individual workout is managed, and every single person involved in this gets results. This is the only strength and conditioning program, only formal strength and conditioning program on the planet that delivers results for every single person that uses it.